Hey everyone, welcome to this beginner friendly tutorial where we will write our very first Python program together. If you're new to the coding, don't worry, Python is one of the easiest and most powerful programming languages to start with. Python is widely used in web development, data science, automation, AI, and more. Big companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA use it. And the best part, its simple syntax makes it perfect for beginners. In this video, I will guide you step by step from installing Python to writing and running your first program. By the end, you will have written your very own Python script and taken the first step into the world of coding. So, grab your laptop, follow along, and let's get started with Python. To install Python, simply search download Python from Google and look for the python.org website. Go to that website and click on download Python, the latest version button. Once you download, simply double click on executable file and it will take you the configurations. Follow simple steps with the default settings and install Python. After installing Python, you will need to install Anaconda. To download Anaconda, simply Google search download Anaconda and look through the search result and find anaconda.org. Once you are in the website, click on download Anaconda, provide your email address and submit. Once you do that, it will take you to this page. So if you are entering your email address for the first time, you will receive an email in your inbox that will need a verification. Once you have verified, it will take you to this page and download the Anaconda. Once you download Anaconda, double click on the executable file and just follow the steps. Now, when the Python and Anaconda installations are complete, let's check if Python is installed correctly. To check, we can go to Anaconda PowerShell prompt and write down Python version. This command should return the latest version of Python that we just installed. Let's close the screen. After the Anaconda installation, it opens the Anaconda Navigator. This page is showing a lot of editor options. So all of these are editors. We can use it to write the Python code. I like to use Pyder. We can either launch it from here or simply Windows search as Pyder. Once I open it, we will write our first program. Alright, let's get started by creating our first Python file. I'll open my editor, which is a spider, and create a new file called firstprogram.py. So go to File, New File. I want to save the file as my first program. Pressing Ctrl S. Oh, I already have my first programs. Let's call it the first program. Let's save it. Now let's write the most basic Python program, one that prints something to the screen. So we use print function for that. Let's greet the world. Say hello world. To execute the program, we simply click on this run file button or press F5. And here you go, the hello world greet is printed. And let's see what else the print statement can do. The print function is one of the most commonly used function in Python. It simply output whatever we put inside the parentheses. We can print numbers too, like number 5. Put it into the parentheses and execute. It returns the number 5. Or we can calculate the numbers within the parentheses. Like if we put 5 plus 10 is going to return sum of the number as 15. Let's make our program little more interactive. Instead of printing the fixed messages, we will ask user for their name and greet them. Okay, for that we use a variable called name and the input function. Input function will take the input from user. Let's ask user, what is your name? And print their name with the greeting. Let's say hello and their name. We use the plus sign to concatenate it. Say welcome to Python. Okay, now when we run the script, this is going to ask what is your name. Enter your name and press enter. This is going to return your name with the greeting message. Now that you know the basics, try changing the message and adding more print statements. In our next video, we will explore variables and data types in Python. Keep coding and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.